percentile for this political stability indicator, well in the middle of the pack. This isn't phenomenal.
Why aren't you using the center turn lane?
It's doing all right.
Oh, that's a dumb move. Last second exit, all the way from the left lane. And let me guess, that guy is not going to even attempt to move over. Yeah, of course.
Fractional lending, which lets them do exactly that. Under this fractional lending game, when you deposit $1,000 in the bank,
wow, look at that up there. Greyhound bus service 86366. If anyone from Greyhound is watching. And we are in Connecticut for those who are keeping score. Oh, and there's a horse trailer too. Let's throw that in for good measure. That is your bus and or truck and or trailer in the left lane clip for this video. Have a nice day. Red light, run! He just ran right through the stop sign. He didn't bother. At least there's someone around to give him a piece of his mind. Why are you doing that? Yeah. Oh, he almost got hit. There's... Don't tell me there's... Oh, they're being idiots over there. Did a police officer just roll through the stop sign? Way to set a great example, sir. That's bad. Your parking brake's on or something. Holy shit. I've never seen that much smoke coming out from brakes before. Ah, it smells bad. What the fuck? You're making my home state look bad. Fuck you! What? Wow. Why would you do that?
So they got rid of the gatekeepers, which was amazing. But they got so large, they became the largest gatekeepers there are. Mm-hmm. Now,
you can go now.
Very rarely are they ever...
There we go. Quit daydreaming, daydreaming. We're daydreaming in Manchester. Nope.
I had to do this all in secret because if my parents found out that I was doing business, they would flip out. They wanted me to be a doctor. So then I went to law school just to make my parents happy while running my businesses, but that's the story for a different video.
I've been hearing that for a long time.
Don't turn on red. Nope. Why are we stopping? What the fuck? Runner. Oh, this is a one-way. This is a one-way.
It's off limits. This topic is off limits. You hurt the soul of one of the troops.
Shoulder check. Second time in a row he did that. What the fuck? What's that guy doing up there? Oh, really? Move over, Law. What? Oh, last second exit up there. Whoa. That was red light run.
Why are you doing that? That lane ends. I understand, like, this left lane hug is not really helping things.
Oh! Jeez! Did he just run right through the stop sign? There's a stop sign there. Why? Why do people do that?
Roses really smell like ooh, ooh, ooh. Right, go now. Must be kind of hot.